Numeracy skills. Numeracy skills means being confident with the use of numbers in everyday situations. Anyone can improve their numeracy skills and become confident with numbers. The formula for success is having value. Numerical skills are important in your daily life. Belief. It's an element within yourself that you can develop and learn. Effort. Accepting that some work will be required to get you where you need to be. Here are 3 tips to develop your skills. Tip 1. Practice your numeracy skills by completing an online quiz. There are many different options to choose from, so research and see which element you would like to concentrate on. Tip 2. Estimate more. The goal is not to always be 100% correct. Provide an estimate, which is precise enough to allow you to make use of predictions. For example, how long it will take you to walk somewhere. How many miles can your car go before it needs to be refueled? Improve your financial skills by looking at your spending habits. Budgeting only requires basic math skills and does not require any high-level mathematical skills. It can, however, lay the foundation to develop an interest on spending. To improve your numeracy skills, undertake small numeracy tasks. Mental maths when shopping. For example, how much will the total be? Play games based on mathematics, such as Sudoku. Keep an eye out for numbers in real life, budgets, or analyse statistics. For further support, contact us. post@profi.cymru @cynllunprofi. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.